You can't grow what you don't measure, and in a startup, tracking the right metrics can be the difference between thriving and failing. In this lesson, we'll break down the startup metrics that matter most, including key performance indicators like CAC, LTV, and more. Let's start with CAC, Customer Acquisition Cost. This is how much it costs you to acquire a new paying customer. It includes all your marketing and sales expenses divided by the number of customers gained. For example, if you spent $1,000 on ads and brought in 10 customers, your CAC is $100. Knowing your CAC helps you understand how efficiently you're turning marketing dollars into growth. Next is LTV, Customer Lifetime Value. This is the total revenue you expect from a customer over the entire time they use your product. If a customer pays $20 per month and stays for 12 months, their LTV is $240. LTV tells you how valuable each customer is to your business over time. The magic happens when you compare LTV to CAC. A healthy LTV to CAC ratio is often considered to be at least 3:1. That means you're making 3 times more from each customer than it costs to acquire them. If your CAC is too high or your LTV too low, it's a signal to revisit your pricing, retention, or marketing efficiency. Another key metric is churn rate, the percentage of customers who stop using your product over a given period. High churn means your product may not be delivering enough value or that there are friction points hurting retention. Even a small increase in retention can dramatically boost growth. Monthly recurring revenue, or MRR, is essential for SaaS businesses. It shows the predictable revenue you earn each month from subscriptions. Tracking MRR growth gives you a clear view of how well your business is scaling. Then there's active users, daily active users, DAU, or monthly active users, MAU. These metrics show how often people engage with your product. High user numbers are great, but what matters more is the depth and consistency of engagement. You should also keep an eye on conversion rate. This is the percentage of visitors or leads who take a desired action, like signing up, starting a trial, or becoming a paying customer. Small improvements in conversion can lead to big jumps in revenue. Burn rate is another vital figure. It's the rate at which your startup is spending money. If your monthly expenses are $50,000 and your revenue is $20,000, your net burn is $30,000. This directly affects your runway, how many months you can operate before needing more funding. Speaking of runway, always calculate how long you can sustain operations at your current burn rate. Investors look closely at this metric. It shows how urgently you need to raise capital or reach break-even. Other important KPIs include average revenue per user, RPU, Net Promoter Score, NPS, to measure customer satisfaction, and customer retention rate to track how well you keep customers over time. But don't drown in data. Focus on the metrics that reflect your current stage. Early on, you might prioritize user growth and engagement. Later, it could be revenue, profitability, or scaling efficiency. Always connect your metrics to clear goals and actionable insights. The most successful startups are not just data-driven, they're insight-driven. They use metrics to ask better questions, test smarter experiments, and make more confident decisions. Let's dig into the numbers that will move your business forward.